Outdoor spaces are more than just backyards. They are sanctuaries where we can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. They're extensions of our homes, seamlessly blending indoor comfort with the beauty of the outdoors. They're places to relax, entertain, and connect with nature. Imagine unwinding after a long day, surrounded by the tranquility of your own outdoor haven. Creating the perfect patio or deck starts with choosing the right materials. The foundation of your outdoor space sets the tone for its overall aesthetic and functionality. It's a decision that impacts both the look and the longevity of your outdoor haven. High-quality materials ensure that your space remains beautiful and durable for years to come. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy spot for morning coffee or a spacious deck for hosting summer barbecues, the right materials make all the difference. Each choice reflects your personal style and how you envision using the space. Let's explore some of the most popular options for patios and decks. From natural stone to modern composites, each material offers unique benefits. We will uncover the beauty, durability, and practicality of each one. Stone patios provide a timeless elegance, while wooden decks offer a warm, inviting feel. Composite materials, on the other hand, combine the best of both worlds with minimal maintenance. Get ready to be inspired. The possibilities are endless when it comes to designing your outdoor oasis. Transforming your outdoor space into a beautiful and functional retreat is easier than you think. With the right guidance and a bit of creativity, you can turn any backyard into a stunning sanctuary. With a little planning and the right materials, your dream outdoor oasis awaits. So start envisioning your perfect outdoor space today and take the first step towards making it a reality. Choosing the right materials for your patio or deck is the first step towards creating your outdoor oasis. Think of it like laying the foundation for a beautiful home. Your material choice impacts everything from the overall aesthetic to the maintenance required. Durability is key. You want materials that can withstand the elements, especially considering the unpredictable nature of weather. Aesthetics are equally important. The color, texture, and pattern of your chosen material will set the tone for your outdoor space. Think about the overall style you want to achieve. Are you drawn to rustic charm, modern sleekness, or classic elegance? Consider your budget and your lifestyle. Low-maintenance options are perfect for busy homeowners. Composite decking has become increasingly popular, and it's easy to see why. Crafted from a blend of recycled wood fibers and plastic, composite decking offers the look of natural wood without the upkeep. Say goodbye to hours spent staining and sealing. Composite decking is also incredibly durable. It resists fading, scratching, and moisture damage, making it a great long-term investment. Plus, it comes in a variety of colors and finishes to complement any style. While composite decking typically costs more upfront than pressure-treated wood, its low maintenance needs can save you money over time. If you're looking for a beautiful, durable, and easy-to-care-for decking option, composite materials are definitely worth considering. For timeless elegance and unparalleled durability, it's hard to beat natural stone. From flagstone to slate to travertine, natural stone brings a touch of sophistication and organic beauty to any outdoor space. Natural stone is incredibly resilient. It can withstand heavy foot traffic and harsh weather conditions, making it a fantastic choice for patios and walkways. Each piece of stone is unique, with its own variations in color, pattern, and texture, adding character to your outdoor space. Keep in mind that natural stone can be more expensive than other materials. However, its longevity and timeless appeal make it a worthwhile investment. Regular sealing is recommended to protect its natural beauty from the elements. Section 5. Concrete, the canvas for your outdoor vision. Concrete might not be the first material that springs to mind when you envision your dream patio, but don't underestimate its versatility. Concrete is incredibly durable and can be customized to suit your style. From sleek and modern to rustic and textured, the design possibilities with concrete are endless. You can stain it, stamp it, or even embed decorative elements like pebbles or colored glass. Concrete is also a more budget-friendly option compared to natural stone or high-end pavers. While concrete is durable, it's important to have it properly sealed to prevent cracking and staining. Regular cleaning is also important to maintain its beauty for years to come. Section 6. A classic choice: pressure-treated wood for your outdoor space. Pressure-treated wood is a classic choice for decks and patios, offering a timeless appeal and affordability. It's important to choose wood that has been treated with preservatives to resist rot, decay, and insect damage. Pressure-treated wood offers design flexibility. You can stain it to match your desired aesthetic, from natural wood tones to bold, modern hues. While pressure-treated wood is more budget-friendly than composite decking or natural stone, it does require regular maintenance. Plan to stain or seal your deck every couple of years to protect it from the elements. With proper care, pressure-treated wood can provide many years of enjoyment for your outdoor space. Section 7. Porcelain Pavers. Beauty and slip resistance, rain or shine. Porcelain pavers have gained immense popularity in recent years, offering not only a beautiful but also a highly practical flooring solution for patios and pool decks. Their aesthetic appeal is undeniable, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to any outdoor space. Made from dense porcelain clay that is fired at extremely high temperatures, these pavers are incredibly durable. This process makes them resistant to scratches, stains, and fading, ensuring that they maintain their pristine appearance for years to come. The high-temperature firing also contributes to their strength, making them capable of withstanding heavy foot traffic and harsh weather conditions. One of the standout features of porcelain pavers is their exceptional slip resistance. This is particularly important for outdoor areas that are frequently exposed to water, such as pool decks and patios. The slip-resistant surface provides a safer environment, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. This slip resistance makes porcelain pavers an excellent choice for areas that are prone to moisture. Whether it's a pool deck, a patio, or a walkway, these pavers provide a reliable and safe surface even in wet conditions. Their ability to maintain traction when wet is a key advantage over other types of outdoor flooring. Porcelain pavers come in a wide array of colors, styles, and finishes. They can mimic the look of natural stone, wood, and even concrete, offering a versatile range of design options to suit any aesthetic preference. This versatility allows homeowners to create a cohesive and stylish outdoor space that complements their home's architecture and landscape. While porcelain pavers offer numerous benefits, they are typically more expensive than concrete or pressure-treated wood. However, the initial investment is often justified by their long-term durability and low maintenance requirements. Unlike other materials, porcelain pavers do not require sealing or frequent cleaning, making them a cost-effective choice in the long run. The ease of maintenance is another significant advantage of porcelain pavers. They are resistant to mold, mildew, and moss, which can be common issues with other types of outdoor flooring. A simple routine cleaning is usually sufficient to keep them looking their best. This low maintenance, combined with their long lifespan, makes porcelain pavers a worthwhile investment for many homeowners who are looking for a durable, beautiful, and practical outdoor flooring solution. Section 8. Brick pavers. Timeless elegance and enduring strength. Brick pavers evoke a sense of timeless charm and classic elegance. They're a durable and versatile option for patios, walkways, and driveways, adding character to any outdoor space. Brick pavers are incredibly strong and can withstand heavy foot traffic and harsh weather conditions. They come in various colors and patterns, allowing you to create intricate designs and borders for a truly custom look. While brick pavers are a durable option, it's important to maintain the joints between the pavers to prevent weed growth and shifting. Sealing your brick pavers can also help to protect their color and prevent staining. Section 9. Finding your perfect match. Choosing the right material. We've explored a variety of materials for your patio or deck, each with its own unique benefits and considerations. Now, it's time to find the perfect match for your outdoor space. Start by considering your budget. Pressure-treated wood and concrete are generally the most budget-friendly options. Composite decking, natural stone, and pavers tend to be more expensive, but offer greater durability and longevity. Think about your desired aesthetic. Do you prefer the warmth of natural wood, the sleekness of concrete, or the timeless elegance of natural stone or brick? Maintenance is another crucial factor. Composite decking requires the least upkeep, while natural wood and some pavers need regular sealing and care. Section 10. From dream to reality, building your outdoor haven. Imagine stepping outside into a space that feels like an extension of your home, a place where you can unwind, entertain, and enjoy the beauty of nature. Choosing the right materials for your patio or deck is an exciting step towards creating your dream outdoor space. The materials you select will not only define the look and feel of your outdoor haven, but also its durability and ease of maintenance. Whether you envision a cozy retreat for relaxing evenings or a spacious deck for entertaining friends and family, thoughtful material selection is key. Think about how you plan to use the space. Do you want a quiet corner for reading or a lively area for hosting gatherings? Consider your budget, desired aesthetic, and maintenance preferences to determine the best fit for your lifestyle. Some materials may require more upkeep than others, so it's important to choose something that aligns with the time and effort you're willing to invest. Remember, your outdoor space is an extension of your home. It should complement the existing architecture and design elements, creating a seamless transition from indoors to outdoors. Make it a reflection of your personal style and a place where you can relax, unwind, and connect with nature. Add personal touches like unique decor, comfortable seating, and even a hammock to make it truly your own. With a little planning and the right materials, you can transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and functional oasis that brings joy for years to come. Whether it's a complete overhaul or just a few updates, the effort you put into your outdoor haven will be well worth it.